However do you want me? However do you need me? However do you want me? However do you need me? However do you want me?
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're just going to be cruising. Such a beautiful day outside. We're going to take advantage of it and have ourselves a fantastic day. So I installed these new HID headlights on my bike, and they're looking fine. So let me show you guys how I installed them. This is what I did. First thing, we just got to plug this like that, and then take off. Then we got our bulb right here. Like that. And we got our bulb. That's absolutely effed. It's the one that's burnt out. Alright, I tried to look up online to see where these wires go. Because here you have, on the Honda, you have the white and black, and then you have was it a black and blue or something? Either way, I plugged in the red to the white, the brown, the black, the negative to the other negative on the switch right here. So now this is just a rough modification. I'm gonna tighten everything down. Just gonna see if it works. When I turn the key, we should have a bulb. Wow. Ooh. We got some light, baby. Okay, okay. Now, let's button everything back up and we'll have ourselves a better bike. Let's go ahead and remove this fairing right here. I'm gonna grab an Allen key. This is metric because this is a Honda. And Hondas are made in Japan. And everyone but the US uses metric because they're stupid. No, I'm just kidding. All right. I really need to get some extra bolts, but zip ties work well too. All right, now that we have that off, let's find a way to mount this sucker. Be using some zip ties. So be going in here like that. This little clip goes like right in there. And then this just goes right on here. Alright, I just kind of like buttoned everything down. I just made it flush with this intake right here. And then you can just slide this fender right on like that. And everything should just be cinched down. I just added a zip tie right there, that's about it. This connection. So we'll put it back on. Alright, just finished installing the second one over there. We got that one. Ooh. Then we got that one. I need to give this baby a wash.
Man, it's so nice outside. Why can't it be like this every day? It's like no rain, which is perfect. Temperature is like 60 degrees. Golden. My bike is at 177. No, that's fine. Such a vibe up here though. I feel like that's gonna fall over. Like that.